नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is neoplasia, difference between benign versus malignant tumors. Contrasting features of benign and malignant tumor. Features. First is clinical and gross features. Boundaries. In benign tumors, encapsulated and well circumscribed boundaries are present, but in malignant tumor, poorly circumscribed and irregular boundaries are present. Surrounding tissue. In benign tumor, often compressed. In malignant tissue, usually invade. Size. Benign tumor size is usually small. In malignant tumor, size is usually often larger. Secondary changes. In benign tumor occur less often secondary changes, and in malignant tumor, secondary changes occur more common. Microscopic features. Pattern. In benign usually resembles the tissue of origin closely, and in malignant often poor resemblance to the tissue of origin. Basal porosity is retained in benign and often lost in malignant. Pleomorphism is usually not present in benign but present in malignant tumor. Nucleocytoplasmic ratio is normal while increase in malignant tumor. Anio- Anisonucleosis is absent in benign tumor and generally present in malignant tumor. Hypochromatism is also absent in benign tumor while present in malignant tumor. Mitosis may be present but are always typical. Mitosis is in benign tumor and mitotic figure increased and are generally atypical and abnormal in malignant tumor. Tumor giant cells may be present without nuclear atypia in benign tumor and present with nuclear atypia in malignant tumor. Chromosomal abnormalities are infrequent in benign tumor while invariably present in malignant tumor. Functions usually when maintained in benign tumor or may be retained or lost or become abnormal in malignant tumor. Growth rate usually benign tumor usually slow grow or malignant tumor usually rapidly growing tumors. Local invasion often compress the surrounding tissue without invading or infiltrating them. In benign tumor or in malignant tumor usually infiltrates and invade the adjacent tissue. Metastasis is absent in benign tumor while present in malignant tumor, and prognosis is local complication is in benign tumor and death by local or metastatic complication in malignant tumor. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.